Thanks to the generous support of the Home Builders Association of West Florida and Lowe's, our dream of expanding our Adult Day Health Care Center is becoming a reality. The expansion of the indoor activity space and creation of an outdoor recreation area means greater opportunities for seniors and more respite for caregivers. Joining me now to share more about the exciting project is Sandie Holtry, the director of the center. Sandie, thanks for being here.
Thank you for the opportunity, Jeff.
Well, it's looking good, isn't it?
It's great. It is awesome.
I can't wait for everybody to come see it. So we were talking about the Home Builders Association. Their portion was actually extending the building and adding a large room to that. Tell us a little bit about that. Well, what does that mean for the center, too?
The expansion allows us an additional 450 square feet, which will allow us to care for more clients and their families, to assist families. It has two large, beautifully arched windows that just allow the sunshine to pour in there. The clients just love looking out those windows. We'll have a new screen porch. We have a new gazebo outside, a new yard. We have a new enlarged lobby, a new entranceway, a contained closet to hold our wheelchairs. We have privacy now in front of our bathrooms to allow the clients privacy when they enter and exit the bathrooms. So it is wonderful. We have many new things at the daycare. It just makes you smile.
Yeah, the list does go on and on and on. And I know the home builders have been, hanging with us for quite some time, really, framing that building, expanding that, all the little things that, I didn't realize it really go into making a room like that, but as you say, that extra square footage will allow you to spread out and everything. You mentioned some of the clients. What are they saying about the new renovations?
The clients are so excited. Some of them can't express their feelings, but you can see their eyes get wide. They smile. Oh, and they watch through this process. They love to watch the builders and the room expand, the yard expand. Some of the family members tell us that Mama said that her first day outside on the gazebo, there were military personnel there. They were planting flowers outside, and that's the day they first got to go on the gazebo. Well, Mama just talked, she danced, she showed off, she had all the attention, and Mama said, I'm sure to go back tomorrow because I want all that again. So they're really looking forward to going outside, to sitting in that room with, like I said, the sunshine pouring in those windows, the new screen porch. It's just wonderful.
Well, you mentioned the trip out to the gazebo. I went along on that, and that was really fun and special. And what people may not know is previously there was really no backyard. There was a fence 2 feet outside the back door, and so that you gained 7,200 square feet of actually outdoor living space. Tell us a little bit about how that came about, or with Lowe's, and what they actually did.
Yes, Lowe's built us a gazebo that will hold probably 5 to 6 picnic tables. It's equipped with ceiling fans. It has electrical outlets. We can take other equipment outside, radios for music. We will enjoy that gazebo for picnics, for lunches, more activities. Yes, we have a grassy area. We have a yard now, so we'll do yard activities, sports. And Jeff, we have 2 huge oak trees in the backyard, and there's park benches under those trees. And to me, it invites you to sit down with a friend and just chat, listen to the birds sing and the squirrels in the tree, and just feel the breeze, and just to be outside. Our seniors love to be outside. Families tell us, Daddy sits on the porch all evening when he goes home. Mama loves to be outside. So this will allow them,
It really is a nice space. And of course, on our wish list is the concrete walkway, so they'll have a path to walk. And so we'll hope that's coming, and we'll be there before the open house. Of course, we want everybody to come to that. But you mentioned, they're watching the people, and you've told me before that some of the male clients are looking forward to being able to go out in the yard and rake and pick up and do an extension of some of the hobbies that they might have had that they enjoyed earlier in life.
Right, they are, the male clients, and I think that gives them a purpose. They feel productive, they feel like they're working, they're helping us. So to sweep that walkway, to pick up limbs in the yard, to pull a couple weeds, to water the plants that the military personnel planted, it'll just give them a purpose every day, and I think they will They will spend most of their day outside.
Well, we kind of jumped ahead because we're both so excited about this project. But let's back up a minute and just for viewers who may not be familiar with exactly what adult day health care is and the center, what is it and what are your hours of operation and kind of what's your typical day there?
Adult day health care is a safe, secure environment for those over the age of 60 who have physical impairments such as heart disease, strokes, diabetes, and then cognitive impairments such as Alzheimer's and any type dementia. We're open Monday through Friday from 7:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. We have nurses on staff. We can administer medications, treatments, respiratory treatments, oxygen, and then we have assistants, activity assistants. So they're able to toilet clients, feed them, ambulate them. We exercise every day. We have a very structured daily schedule of activities. Every 30 minutes you'll see us doing something new. We exercise every day. Like you said, we walk every day, and presently we have to walk in our front parking lot, which isn't the best. So this walking path in our backyard, one, will be safer. Two, I see more ambulation occurring with this walking path.
Well, y'all do a good job of supervising the walking in the parking lot, so it is safe, but it's probably not the ideal environment and nothing compared to what it's going to be. So, for example, for caregivers, is this a place where they could bring a family member while they go to work Monday through Friday, or could it be for a caregiver who's a 24/7 caregiver who really just needs a break a day or two a week? How is it structured as far as how frequently they come?
It can be either way, Jeff. We want to meet the family's needs. So if the family continues to work, be busy in the community, yes, mama or daddy can come Monday through Friday, 5 days a week, 8 to 10 hours a day usually. And then if they just want the respite, or if they have doctor's appointments, if they want to do something with their family, grandchildren, they just need the day to themselves, we can care for the client. Again, they're in a safe, secure environment. They'll be very busy. They won't be napping during the day. They'll be tired when they go home at night, and they've enjoyed the day with their peers. So either way, we want to meet the family's needs.
Well, great. Well, speaking of meeting the families, we hope to meet them at the open house. So let's talk about the big reveal open house coming up on May the 17th. Tell us a little bit about when and what they can expect to see.
We're located at 875 Royce Street. It will be Thursday, May the 17th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and then again 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. We'd like to capture the public to come in. Feel free to see our new facility and healthcare providers. So we're offering the 2 different sessions so that hopefully people can meet that into their schedule, fit that into their schedule on one of those sessions. And I think when they come to daycare, they will just smile as soon as they enter. We have new paint, new colors, new furniture, new artwork. It's terrific. It's fabulous.
Well, you do a great job, and all your staff do as well. And
thank you.
Give for the people who may come during the morning, say the healthcare providers, the clients will actually be there, right? Or
Yes.
for families who want to see that total interaction, where in the afternoon it may be more recognition of Home Builders Association and Lowe's and all the other donors. But yeah, y'all just do a great job, and it's so nice to see everybody smile.
Thank you.
Thanks.